is my community. So in my community, I've got 2 different species of animals. So I've got my Fusely pasta, which is going to be species 1. And I've got my penny pasta, which is going to be species 2. So if we're doing mark, release, recapture, which is our method for sampling animals and estimating animal populations, first thing we would do is capture a sample. So to capture a sample, I'm just going to take a handful of this pasta and then we're going to lay it out. So I'm going to estimate the population size of the Fusely, okay, in our community. So I can ignore our penny pasta. And I know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 individuals of our Fusely. Now, we're mark, release, recapture. So our first bit is we've got to mark them. So I'm going to mark each of these. Okay, so it was hard to video and mark them. So now all I've done is gone through and marked with my marker pen, marked the ones that we captured, okay? So now what would happen is that we would put our sample of organisms back where they were before, where we got them from, and we would let them redistribute in the population. So you'd probably leave them like overnight and then sample again the next day because we want them to redistribute themselves. So to make sure they're redistributed, I'm just going to mix our bowl of pasta. Okay, now that our marked samples should be redistributed throughout our community, we can now take a second sample. So again, I'm just going to take a handful. So we can see that this time we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now what I need to look for now is how many of the marked sample we have recaptured. So that's not marked, not marked, not marked, not marked, marked, marked. You can see the mark here on these 2. And the rest are not marked. So I need to take note that I have 2 marked. And overall in that second sample, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.